What's going on, guys? It's Logan from Streets back here. Today we're going to be checking out an abandoned car dealership. Okay, so we went into the abandoned garage and yeah, the abandoned Ford Mercury dealership, and there's just a Falcon sitting up under here. What the hell? Got love Florida.
It's a 6 shift.
A little sketchy. Yeah, and we found a Galaxy. What is? Yeah, no, it's a car. It's a car plane kit car. There's some weird stuff out here. Yeah, the Florida finds. What the hell?
You need to take me to that guy.
Yeah.
Well, look at this.
Yeah. So yeah,
Hey, we
got a
get out of
Galaxy gasser.
here. I'm scared.
Figured we'd go over some of the finds I didn't quite get on video, but this is a sort of mid to late 60s F-Series crew cab, which was pretty rare, but it was pretty rotted out, but still a cool find. So here's a Model T hot rod with a small block 350 from Chevrolet and a first gen F-Series pickup, which is pretty cool to see. It wasn't in the best shape, but definitely not terrible by any means for the age of it. But cool to see both of those side by side, and nonetheless a cool find. So here we got sort of a 50s GMC crate truck, sort of farm truck thing. It was pretty cool. It was advertising a local small business. Cool to see. And here we got a early 60s Galaxy that was a gasser. But the second gen Galaxy, my buddy Luke in the video, he had one, so he got really excited to see it. But pretty cool car. You gotta love gassers, which is sort of lifted in the front, lowered in the back, but generally do wheelies, which is what makes them cool. But old hot rods, cool to see. That'll do it for today's video on the Ford Mercury dealership. It was a cool experience getting to see an abandoned building and get to see there were some old parts in there. We didn't get to really film any of that, but you could see it through the glass. We didn't end up looking in the building too much. Just that Falcon was the only thing we kind of sort of imposed on, but really cool experience. Definitely be careful doing stuff like this, going into abandoned buildings, because you definitely can get in trouble. But thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, like, sub. Any questions you have, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day, and see you guys next time.